The instructors have each been fantastic. They're super patient, very kind, really knowledgeable. The folks that are here with me taking the class have all been so wonderful to be around. The classroom space is spectacular. It has such a beautiful view while you're listening to people share their knowledge. It's really beautiful. It's just a gorgeous environment. We had spectacular weather for the time that I was here. The other thing that surprised me is how charming the amenities are. So even from the kitchen, which I expected it was going to be super primitive, but it's really not. There's stoves, there's refrigerators with freezers and places to sit, and there's campfires and an awesome outdoor shower. It's really cozy, and if you're showering after class at night, there's beautiful string lights that are all around to illuminate. So it's nice, cozy. That actually really surprised me a lot. It was very pretty. I would just say to anyone who's questioning coming, it's totally worth the experience. It's just a different type of community spirit that is in action right now, and it's really beautiful to be a part of it.